Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of beautiful, cute, and easy to make crochet design ideas. Perfect for anyone who loves creating stylish, handmade pieces with a personal touch. If you're passionate about crochet or just getting started, you're in the right place. Crochet is not just a hobby, it's a creative escape, a way to express yourself, and even a chance to build something meaningful with your own hands. As you watch, take a moment to appreciate the intricate patterns, the soft textures, and the vibrant colors of these crochet blouses. Each piece you see here is carefully crafted, combining simplicity with elegance. And the best part? Many of these designs are beginner-friendly, so you don't need to be an expert to recreate them. These crochet blouses are perfect for different occasions, whether you're dressing up for a casual day out, a beach trip, or even just relaxing at home while still looking stylish. They're lightweight, breathable, and incredibly versatile. One of the things I love most about crochet is how customizable it is. You can easily adjust colors, patterns, and sizes to match your personal style. Want something bold and eye-catching? Go for bright colors. Prefer something soft and minimal? Neutral tones work beautifully too. As you continue watching, notice how each design brings out a unique personality. Some are playful and fun, while others are elegant and sophisticated. That's the beauty of crochet. It allows you to create pieces that truly reflect who you are. If you're planning to try these designs yourself, start with simple stitches and gradually move to more detailed patterns. Don't rush the process. Crochet is all about patience and enjoying the journey. Every stitch you make brings you closer to something amazing. And if you're already experienced, feel free to get creative, mix patterns, experiment with textures, and even add your own twist to these designs. There are no limits when it comes to creativity. Also, these crochet blouses make perfect handmade gifts. Whether it's for a friend, family member, or even for yourself, you're giving something unique, thoughtful, and made with love. If you're enjoying these ideas so far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crochet inspiration. Your support really helps the channel grow and keeps the creativity flowing. Let me know in the comments which design is your favorite, and if you'd like to see tutorials for any of these pieces. I'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video inspires you to pick up your yarn and hook and start creating something beautiful today. Until next time, keep crocheting, keep creating, and stay inspired.